Hello and welcome to this quick introduction video about the Office Manager and the ordering process. Well, first of all, we're gonna create a new data set and we're gonna type in here, it's gonna be an order. So we click on here, order, and we're gonna type in the address. For example, this time we would like to order on Walter Meyer. So we just type it in and find it perfectly. And we also define our contact person here. It's gonna be Martin Fuchs. Great, so we're gonna save it and add our first article. So we just click on plus. And right now we can find all our articles in our database. I think first of all we're gonna find or take a look on a drill. For example, this one, we would like to order 2 pieces. So we click here and say 2. Perfectly. So we automatically get our price from the database and we can add our next article. I think we're gonna take a milling tool, so we just type it here, and this one, that's great. Okay, we just add this one too. 12 pieces, and as we can see, if we type in 12 pieces, we can see there is also a discount of this amount, so if we order more than 10 pieces. Okay, and last but not least, I would like to order a tool holder, so this is gonna be the right one. Just 1 piece should be enough. Great. So as you can see on the right side down, we have the prices for this combination, and we can also print out or send it by email all the documents. So just click on OK. You can also define some settings here, and so you can see this would be our order. Looks great. All the pictures are in vector format, so we can just send this directly to our customer. It is also possible, for example, if we want to know some additional information about an article, just click on the 3 points here, and we have directly the drill down to this article. You can see all the information about the storage, about the amount we have in our storage, about the prices, and we can also click on the supplier. You can see the address, the person who works there. That's it. Thanks for watching.